So like you made this?
What's going on, guys? Ace Approved here, and today we're actually not going to be filming the Benz. We're going to be filming the Kia Sorento. Got to wash it up, and I'll catch you guys in a sec. As you guys see right here, of course, there's a car accident right here. Oh man, damn, shit. I can relate to that. I've been in an accident myself, so. So this is my 2017 Kia Sorento V6. As you see, the color obviously stands out immediately. The color, this is a wrap. It's originally black. This color is called Blurple. As you see, you know, it's kind of doesn't really come out on camera too well, but it's definitely like a mixture between blue and purple. Obviously Blurple. It was also chrome, so like the handles were chrome. Obviously got that black. Also got headlights tinted, but I kind of want to remove it. It actually didn't come with fog lights. I bought aftermarket fog lights and I installed them myself. Also, what you probably noticed is the grille. Way more, it looks so much more aggressive than what it used to look like. I'm also gonna post probably pictures of it black, most definitely, just to show what it looked like black. I'm tempted to go back to the black, just because I miss it, and having a wrap, it takes a lot of maintenance to keep clean. As you see, like this isn't even clean, and it's just a lot more maintenance versus like paint and the peeling and all that. Also, the colors of the brake calipers on here are black. I did have them blue before, and then before that I had red. Obviously the blue that was on there wouldn't have matched this color. It wouldn't have went that well, so just got them done black. Kept it simple, you know. Also have two things done. Performance wise, I have like it's a tune, but it's not really like a dramatic tune. It's like a small little ECU tune for the Sorento, just to help with mileage and a little bit more horsepower, like very significant, but it wasn't too expensive, so I went and I did it. And obviously you guys already know the exhaust. This is not obviously stock. This is aftermarket. Stock, the Sorentos come with just a single pipe. This is a catback system specifically for the Sorento, making it a dual exhaust. Had to do some cutting to make it fit. most definitely the exhaust is pretty, it sounds really good. Definitely really, really good. I can't complain about it. It crackles, it pops, it does a lot of things that, you know, it originally didn't do. I think the tune kind of helped with the pops and the crackles, which is actually pretty nice, especially coming from a, you know, it's a Kia, you know what I mean? And you guys, I'll be totally honest. I get so many compliments on this, especially when it was black, and believe it or not. People go like, what is this? Like, I mean, obviously people don't really know about cars. They would say, oh, well, this looks like a Maserati. No. They're like, oh, it looks like a Jeep. No. Keep guessing. And then I tell them it's a Kia, and they're like, this is a damn Kia? They be like, get the fuck out of here. I'm like, yes. Dude, this is a Kia. This is a full-blown Kia, man. Full-blown. You know? And I love it, man. I really do, you know. And it's great in the winter. Great in the snow. I have a whole nother set of wheels for it, a whole winter set. But yeah, for sure, this is my Kia. I take care of it. I had it for a while now, like 5 years, you know, and I love it. This is pretty much what I did. But let me know. Maybe we should, I know it's not even a fair race, but, you know, have a tuned Kia V6 going up against a stock COK 500. That'll be interesting. Let me know. That probably will be my next video. Just keeping you guys updated. So I'll catch you guys in the next one.